Hello everyone, I'm Tilly Douglas from Visual Sense Crafts, and I just wanted to do a quick little Dutch style pour today because I realised I hadn't done one using my handy dandy little smallest blower in the world. So it is now getting covered in paint because I've been doing the blooms with this Shelly Art style blooms, and it works really well for the blooms. I love it for the blooms. So I'm going to give it a go with this today. So my colours I'm using are Pebeo Iridescent Orange Yellow, Pebeo Iridescent Green Yellow, and Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. So all Pebeo and all iridescent colours. So we'll see how we get on with that. I don't usually have just all the iridescents in one pour, but we'll give it a go, see how we get on. So nice runny paint, so just a little heat and disappears, little trickle and disappears. So all I'm going to do with this is put a little circle in the middle and go orange next. And then the green. And then I've got some Amsterdam titanium white, which I've just mixed with my pouring medium, which is, where's my bottle? There. The Gloss Luster Mod Podge. And that's 2/3 Mod Podge and 1/3 water. So I've just made that up. Might be a bit bubbly because I've only just made it because I'm really impatient. So just made a bit of that up. Just going to quickly whiz that around the outside. We'll deal with the bubbles later, eh? There. And now I'm going to blow it across the centre. I'm going to take my little nozzle off because it gives a wider blow then. We'll see how it works with this Dutch pour. So far so good, eh? So all in and then all out. Well, it seems to be doing a pretty decent job, doesn't it? Yeah, keep putting my finger over the vent thingy. Well, that doesn't look too bad to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my little nozzle back on. So these are plugged into a USB port. I've moved my desk around. Well, I moved my whole art studio around, so now I'm a bit closer to my USB port, which makes it a lot easier. But it's got about a 2-meter cable on it, so it's pretty handy actually, having the USB. So I'm just going to feather the ends out a little bit, see if that works with the nozzle. Might be a bit strong, but we'll see. I'm just going to take some of that colour from the centre, just move it a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit. Push it a little bit further out. Oh. Turn that off. Wow, I don't think that looks too bad, you know. I don't think that looks too bad at all. What I'm going to do, which I always do, I always flaff with it. Excuse my head getting in the way if it does, because I'm just going to give it a little blow with my little turkey baster. You can use a straw or anything really for this, but just like to use this little, so it just directs it and it gives a little gentle blow rather than the harsh blow. It's stuck to the paper there. Ooh, there we go. So I think that's done a pretty good job with that. My whistly turkey baster. Got paint on my gloves now, I've got to be careful not to drip that onto my canvas. There. I'm just going to give my hands a bit of a wipe so I don't drip paint all over. And then I'm going to give it a little bit, because I can never leave well alone, a little, one of my little popsicle sticks. Found one of my little sticks, and I'm just going to come in and drag this white across through here a little bit. Wipe it off. Just to separate these a little bit. I think what I'll do is just put a little bit of white on there. And around here, just in a few strategic places, and then I can drag that through the colours a little bit to separate them a little bit more. That's looking really quite lovely. I do like that. So then we can pull this through there a wee bit. And this one. Wipe my stick every time so I don't drag all the other colours through. That's looking really rather nice. Yes, I like that. I like that a lot. So, does it need anywhere else? Let me just, I'm going to put a little bit just here. Just there, like that. Take it down that way and drag it through. And a little bit on there. Just to divide those petal-like paints. There. Looks really rather pretty, doesn't it? Well, I think it does. I think that's about there. I like that. Just want to blow here. There. I'm going to put a bit just there. Just on this little bit. There. I let it run off the side and drag it through. There. I like that. I think that looks fabulous. And I think that little blower does work really well for these little ones, for the little canvases. Not sure it'll work as well with the bigger ones. It might do, but I think it'd be better off with the hairdryer. But for these little canvases, I think it works really well. I'll give it a quick torch. So, I'll bring it down for a close-up. So, here's the close-up. I have to do it on its side because otherwise you get the glare from the light. My little strip light that's above what you're still going to get the glare anyway, unfortunately. But that looks really pretty. It gives a 3D effect, like a little tubular leaf. Or flower, I should say. I love it. What do you think? That little blower, I just love it, you know. I think it works so well. I shall be using it all the time, I know I will. It's quite powerful. I'll put it in the link in the description below so you can see which one I've got. But I really do like it. There, I think that gets it a bit better without the glare on it. So, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell notification so you get notified when I bring out more videos. And I've just joined Twitter. I don't know what I'm doing on there at the moment, and I've got very few followers. So please follow me on Twitter if you've got a Twitter account. I've got a link for that, I'll put that below. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.